Hello everyone, my name is Push Patel and today in this video we are solving LeetCode problem number 1844. Replace all digits with character. So we are given an string that has lowercase English letters in its even indicates digits in its odd indicates we have to replace every digit with characters, and that characters will be the next character of the previous character. So for example, in the example 1 we are given a1 c1 e1. So what we will do is we will plus 1 in the a, which is previous character, so we get b. We will return that in the answer. As the same in the example 2, you can see that at the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth index we are given C, and in the fifth index we are given 3. So what we will do is in the uh, sixth index 3, we will plus it in the C, which is our previous character. We will do C plus 3, then we will get F. Then we will return F in the answer in replace of 3. So let's try to solve this question. So for this, I will use simple while loop, and if current character is digit, then I will simply plus it with the previous character and return it in answer. Else, if it is not n digit, then I will simply add in the answer whatever comes. So let's try to solve this. So for that, I will firstly make an integer to iterate in our loop, and secondly, I will make a string to store our answer. Let's write a loop here. I will iterate to the its size. Okay, so our first condition will be if current num current character of string is a number or not. So for that I will use simple inbuilt method of C++ is digit. So is digit returns if current string is a character, then it will return false, and if it is any number, then it will return true. If this returns true, then I will simply add previous character plus 1 here. So how I will do it, let's see. So firstly, I will add previous character, which will be minus 1, and then I will plus it by the current number. So as you know, our current number is in the character format. We have to get it in the integer format. So for that, as we have used it in our previous video too, I will simply minus it by character 0. Then it will return a integer. Uh, if this loop doesn't goes, then else I will add whatever character is in our string s. I will add that same in our answer string. At the last, when loop ends, I will return our answer string. Let's try to run this code. Okay, so there is some spelling mistake here. Let's try to run this again. So our is digit there was another spelling mistake in our code. Let's try to run this again. Okay, so our so this rec, closing bracket was is digits, and another bracket is for the our if loop. We I forgot to end this condition. Let's try to run this again and hopefully our this time our both the example cases are accepted here. Let's try to submit this. Okay, so as you can see, our solution beats 100% of solution and uses 0 millisecond of runtime. And hopefully you liked this video. If you did, then make sure to like the video. Thank you for watching this video.